just for a discussion, sir. Can I?
या
तो ये जो टॉपिक सिंघानिया का लिया,
हाँ
ये इनका डिसीजन था कि he will give all to Gautam Singhania. अब there are two ways to look at it. That okay, he thought that he will take care.
या
So it was a decision, and that was his destiny. The decision went wrong. If the decision would have been right, he would have been he would be happy. If the decision has gone wrong, so it is destiny.
Yeah, see, let us take the non-dual perspective or the highest perspective. Think of it from the perspective of consciousness. From the perspective of consciousness, there is no right and wrong. It's just what it is. So even though now, in the ordinary sense, we are saying maybe this was a wrong decision, I don't know. Maybe this was the lesson he needed to learn. Maybe this was the exact experience that taught him much more than if he had simply stayed in a luxurious house and done everything and died an unknown, relatively unknown, and not experienced any of this. What brought him to this realization, oh my God, I've never learned how to show love, was this jhatka, whether it was a pleasant one or not. So how to see that in this is applicable even in this so-called mistake. In the so-called mistake, if you are able to see that maybe this is what it took for me to learn love. If I had remained in this luxurious palace all my life, my son would have taken care of me. I would have died in some hospital somewhere with a bunch of tubes connected, and the world would have... I would have never read this book about Singhania if he had just been an entrepreneur, went to this, never made this mistake, never came into this conflict, this what do they call it? The dark night of the soul. I don't know if you've heard this term, the dark night of the soul, walking through this valley of darkness is what shapes you, is what makes you. So this cause and effect thing, whether this was right. So from one perspective, yes, it was the wrong decision and it may have been better. But that's at a relative level. From an absolute level, it's just what it is. It's just what it is. Sitting alone in this apartment in Malabar Hill, maybe he has and will experience life much, much more deeper, with much, much more clarity than he would have ever gotten. So it's not... So all what we say is at the relative level. From an absolute level, there's just moments. There is no cause, there is no effect. It's just moment after moment after moment after moment. And in each moment, we have the opportunity to see that in this. In this moment, see that. In this moment, see that. In this moment, see that.
I would say that was the best decision he has ever made. Because उस डिसीजन के वजह से उसको जिंदगी में जो नहीं मिला था उनको वो मिल सका. That was enlightening for him.
That's true. Yeah, I think maybe I will write to him on this thought, along this line, that here you are sitting here at 82 regretting your decision and cursing yourself for that day when he signed that paper. Even in his book, he's full of regret for having, he signed that letter, gift letter, 4-line thing, giving everything away, and then he had 4 days to take it back. That's the legal requirement with the Securities and Exchange Commission, that you gift shares, you have 4 days to retract when you gift something.
Actually, he should thank.
And those 4 days he regrets that, why didn't I take it back in those 4 days? He still regret. Even in his book, he's full of regret. And yeah, maybe this is something, this perspective that we have here, we can offer to him, and maybe free him from this suffering that he is going through. So yeah, I will write an email. I don't know if you'll ever reach him, but I will. Jennifer ji lives close to you, hand delivery.
I really wanted to go and have tea with him, actually.
Even when people feel so miserable when somebody dies, but if you take it at the relative level, yes, it is very sad, but there is so much more into it that changes people for so much better that people forget about that.
Right, right. This is also something, and I remember we did a whole thing on no regrets. I don't know, a few weeks ago or something. We talked about there's nothing to regret. Everything
Okay.
is perfect the way it is.